Kick streamers, crash on the highway. Ooh. Oh, big fast. Oh, let's go really fast on the highway. We love going fast. Damn, look how fast he is. Wait, let me see how fast is he going. If that is... What's this fucking... Hate these fucking flies, bro. He's going 100 miles an hour? Yeah, probably 120. Yeah. Wait, is he really... Wait, listen to the audio. No way, he's just... No way there's a clip of a guy driving a car that's about to crash, and he's listening to a song and it's talking about crashing a car because he's in NASCAR. Like, there's no way, right? Is he manifesting? I think he's manifesting, guys. Where you going? What a retard! Below bitrate. Yo! Nah! Oh my god! Let's see whose fault this was. It's his fault. You see that line right there? This guy was he was in his lane. You literally merged into his lane and you hit him. The other clip has the interior cam. Wait. I would never do this. That's 100% his fault. 100. Oh, fuck. Wait a minute. This is 2 years ago. Wait, no. What do you mean? What do you mean he did it before?
On everything, chat. Hold up. Let me just pull over real quick so Twitch don't be on my dick. Bro, come on, bro. Say nothing, bro. You just hit my shit, bro. You just hit my shit, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, come on, bro.
They gotta get his driver's license, man. You gotta get this before something bad happens.